Expressions quiz punishment. It tests comprehension of common English expressions used when talking about punishment. Let's get started. Read each sentence and choose the answer with the closest meaning to the words in italics. Number 1. In many countries, people do time for drink driving. A. Do community service. B. Lose their license. C. Go to jail. Do time means letter C. Go to jail. Number 2. Katie thought the judge might let her off with a fine if she came clean. A. Told the truth. B. Behave politely. C. Look more attractive. Answer is came clean means letter A. Told the truth. Number 3. The judge threw the book at her instead. A. Punished her lightly. B. Punished her severely. C. Found her not guilty. Answer: threw the book at her means letter B. Punished her severely. Number 4. The only way you'll beat the rap is to bribe the judge. A. Be punished lightly. B. Be found guilty. C. Be acquitted. Beat the rap means letter C. Be acquitted. Number 5. It's an open and shut case, so the jury won't take long to reach a verdict. A. A straightforward case. B. A highly complex case. C. A strongly contested case. Answer is open and shut case means letter A. A straightforward case. Number 6. Rich people often get a slap on the wrist for committing crimes that poor people are sent to jail for. A. A heavy punishment. B. A very light punishment. C. No punishment. A slap on the wrist means letter B. A very light punishment. Number 7. Why did Nelson Mandela spend most of life behind bars? A. Drinking in bars. B. Working in bars. C. Locked up in jail. Behind bars means letter C. Locked up in jail. Number 8. Job is sick of being sent to prison, so he's trying to go straight. A. Stop being a criminal. B. Stop getting caught. C. Stop getting drunk. Go straight means letter A. Stop being a criminal. Number 9. The footage clearly shows her stealing clothes, so she hasn't got a leg to stand on. A. Has no self-control. B. Can't stand up for herself. C. Can't prove she's in the right. Hasn't got a leg to stand on means letter C. Can't prove she's in the right. Number 10. The police offered him a shorter jail sentence, but Ronnie refused to sell anyone down the river. A. Pay bribes to anyone. B. Inform on anyone. C. Cheat anyone. Answer is letter B. Inform on anyone. Sell anyone down the river means inform on anyone. So this video ends here about expressions quiz punishment.